Wow, today it looks like you have a big balloon gumball machine. Isn't that the coolest thing ever?
Yes.
It's so big, it's even bigger than you, huh?
Yeah.
Oh wow, let's take a look at it.
The top is not bigger like me.
Whoa, look at all those gumballs. So inside of this gumball machine, I see a lot of gumballs. And what do you think are inside those gumballs, Adrian?
Surprises!
Surprises! How are we gonna get those surprises out?
Pop it.
Are we gonna pop it?
Yeah.
But it looks so cool. Do you even really wanna pop it?
Yes.
Okay. Adrian, are you ready to pop the big gumball machine?
Yes.
And find some surprises?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Whoa!
Something's in here. Let's throw the toy surprise egg in here. Everything's messed up. There's a surprise egg. There's something in here.
Adrian, are you ready to pop the surprise gumballs?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Whoa!
Eyeball.
What is it?
Eyeball.
It's an eyeball bouncy ball. Cool.
Huh? Ah.
That one didn't pop. Okay, what was inside that one?
A Patrol fruit snack.
Patrol fruit snacks, delicious. Next one. Give it a big pop. All right.
Oh, Dory!
Let's see. Oh, it's a Dory surprise. Cool.
Where's my knife? Oh, right here. How it's looking for it. Let's try.
Which one?
Oh, trash peanuts right there. Romeo!
Oh, a Nemo surprise. Oh my gosh.
Let's pop. Look. Let's see if there's a surprise. Let's pop it.
Those balloons don't pop very well, huh? What's in there?
Dory.
Show me.
Dory.
Ooh, what is that? A Dory towel?
Yes.
Awesome.
Oh, those don't work very well. This one doesn't pop.
Yeah, something looks like that's a reject bubble gum.
There's gonna be candy going. Huh? I was squeezing it. Now it's gonna make a mess. Oh, you have a better one?
Ooh, Yowie, cool. Okay, what's next?
This one.
Okay. Ooh,
Another one.
another Yowie egg. Wow. Okay, what's next?
This one.
Okay.
I can't.
Whoa, good pop.
Nothing.
Nothing. Wah, wah, wah.
Let's try this one. Oh, that has something in it.
Wow. Another Yowie. Oh my gosh, so many Yowie eggs. Okay, last two gumballs.
Let's pop them. I want to pop green.
Oh, Bummer.
You're bummer. Video. Oh.
Last one. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you have so many Yowie eggs.
No Yowie egg.
What is it?
Christmas.
It's a Christmas Yowie egg. Cool.
Yeah, Christmas Yowie.
Okay, Adrian, do you want to show us all the prizes you got?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, show us.
This is Dory too. I was
Got it.
gonna show that to you.
Got a Dory towel, cool. Some Yowie egg.
Yowie egg. Patrol fruit snacks. Yowie egg. Yowie egg. Nemo.
Bouncy ball.
I bought bouncy ball.
Ooh, cool.
Little Yowie egg. And Dory. And another patrol fruit
Another
snack.
Patrol fruit snack. So it looks like you got a lot of wonderful surprises. Was that a fun video?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to tell everyone thank you for watching your videos?